Hello students, today we will discuss about essay on science in daily life. हमारी डेली लाइफ में साइंस की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है. Science is the weight of modern life. It has made our life so complex that we cannot think of life without science. Even the smallest that things of our daily use like needles, stoves and clocks are the gifts of science. It has placed the magical powers into the hands of mankind. It is with the help of science that man has more or less conquered the forces of nature. The wonderful inventions of science like the railway engine, the radio and television have made our life very comfortable. Modern science and technology have made it possible for man to reach the moon. Science has brought a change in human thinking towards religion, morality, and traditional values of life. First, the means of transport and communication. The inventions of the quick means of transport like the motor cars, railway trains, ships and aeroplanes have reduced distance and made the earth smaller. The telephone, the telegraph and the wireless have helped man to send messages from one corner to another in no time. One can go round the earth within less than 24 hours. With the advancement of modern space technology, it has become possible for man to reach the moon within less than 4 days and to send back messages to the earth in no time. Next is recreation and entertainment. Science has wonderful things for our private and social recreation. With the help of our radio sets, we can hear and enjoy music speeches of our great leaders and the running commentary of the Olympic Games. Television is even more wonderful than the radio. Through the television set, we can hear and also see the artist with our own eyes. The cinema is the most popular form of our recreation. Next are powerful machines and electricity. The inventions of power-driven machines have introduced a great change in industries. Mills and factories produced things of our daily use. The gift of electricity has placed unlimited power into the hands of mankind. It not only runs our factories and mills but also lights our houses, cools and warms our rooms and works our fans. Next are medical sciences. Wonderful inventions and discoveries have been made in the field of medical sciences. The discovery of X-rays has helped the doctors internal disease of human body. The inventions drugs of several kinds have not only controlled disease but also reduced human death rate. Surgical operations and plastic surgery have now become the normal things of our life. Next is science and agriculture. The invention of agricultural machines and chemical fertilizers have increased production. The constructions of canals and dams has also helped in increasing food productions. The constructions of the canals and dams has also helped in increasing food productions and lessening the possibility of flood and fear of famine. Next, the invention of science and agriculture. Invention of armaments. The invention of war armaments, the atom bombs, hydrogen bombs, and intercontinental ballistic missile, the most destructive things. With the coming of such deadly weapons, danger of war has increased. War has remained no more limited in time and consequences, yet they are the most wonderful things. Next is science and religion. The wonderful contribution of science towards human progress is that it has helped men to cultivate critical attitudes. With the coming of such deadly weapons, danger of war has increased. War has remained no more limited in time, places, and consequences, yet they are the most wonderful things. Next is science and religion. The wonderful contribution of science towards human progress in it is that it was helped men to cultivate a critical attitude towards everything in life. It is this spirit of science that has removed superstitions. It has shaken the roots of traditional beliefs and compelled men to review traditional concepts of morality in the new light. And the science has not only added to our material welfare but also widened horizon of human thinking. Okay. While science has invented power-driven engine and machines and brought about an industrial revolution in the world, it has given birth to many social and economic hardships and evils. It has split up mankind into two warring classes, the capitalist and the labor. Both the classes are deadly opposed to each other. The rich exploit the poor. This system is responsible not only for widespread miseries but for new emotional tensions in the world. Science has given us big machines to work with. They have removed our drudgery and saved our time for making ourselves cultured. The greatest misfortune of man of today is that he is making more and bigger machines in the time saved. He is spending his precious in cleaning and patrolling them. Instead of being their master, he has become a slave to them. The bigger machines which work faster and have posed a serious threat to mankind. The darkest phase of modern science found in the invention of war ornaments. It has invented highly destructive weapons like atom bombs, hydrogen bombs, neutron bombs, and interballistic missiles. The destructive effects of nuclear weapon are well known to all. The effects of radioactivity pass on from generation to generation. Nuclear devices of war pose a new threat to our civilization. Humanity faces destruction unless the destructive forces of science are kept sufficient check. The progress of science has changed the whole outlook of man towards life and its aims. It has made us highly materialistic. We have lost faith in God and high moral values. The sources of pity, sympathy, charity, and brotherhood have dried up in the human heart. It has made men of tool in the age of machinery. The truth about science is that a blessing, if it rightly used, but it is a curse. If it is wrongly used, it is indeed a good servant. Nothing can serve us better, but nothing can harm us more if we have it to become our master. Okay. The darkest phase of modern science found in the invention of war armaments. Nuclear devices of war pose a new threat to our civilization. Humanity faces destructions unless the destructive forces of science are kept sufficient check. He has become a slave to them. Thus, the weaker machines which work faster and better have posed a serious threat to mankind.